Hello and welcome. This is lesson 5 of Introduction to Hindi Alphabets, and in this lesson we will learn the Barah Kadi of Kh. We know that there are 12 vowels in Hindi and they are A, A, I, U, U, A, I, O, Au, and Aha. Right? And we know about the consonants too. We have seen in previous video. And we have learned the concept of half consonants joining with vowels to get the sound. And in the previous video, we have seen the sounds of K or the Barah Kadi of K. And in this video, we will learn the Barah Kadi of Kh. In other words, we'll see what happens when this half consonant joins with all these vowels. Alright? We will see what happens when this joins with all these vowels. Okay, so let us start with the first sound, K. K. And you get this sound K when you add K to A. K plus A equal to K. K plus A equal to K. K plus A equal to K. Okay. Now, in the previous video, we have seen the pronunciation or we have learnt about this sound, which is K. K. Okay. This is K. K. Basically, how you pronounce it is this with a bit of air from your mouth. So, when you pronounce this with a bit of air from your mouth, you pronounce this. Okay? This is K, 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 K. This is K, 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 K. So, when you are pronouncing this, air, okay, air must come from your mouth. Alright? So, this plus air from your mouth equal to K, K, K. This is K, this is K, 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 K. Alright? And the same thing goes for all the sounds. It is K. Alright? So just remember that this plus air from the mouth equal to K, K, K. Alright? Now let us see how to write it. We write K, K like this. Okay. Some other video may teach some other way of writing K. You are free to choose the one that you find easy. Alright, that is the first sound K. And there are no examples in English for me to give you. So this entire video will not have any pronunciation examples from English. Alright. The next sound is Kha. 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 And you get this sound Kha when you add K to A. K plus A equal to Kha. K plus A equal to Kha. Alright? And you write Kha like this. Once again, okay. Next is Ki. 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 And you get this sound Ki when you add K to E. K plus E equal to Ki. K plus E equal to Ki. Okay. And the way you write it is like this. a line to the left and like this. Once again, yeah, like this. Next is key, 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 and you get this sound key when you add k to e. K plus e equal to key. K plus e equal to key. All right. And this is how it is written. Okay. K plus a line to the k plus a line to the right and like this. Okay. Next is ku, 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 and you get the sound ku when you add k to u. K plus u equal to ku. K plus u equal to ku. Okay, and you write it like this. Once again, okay. Next is ku, ku, and you get this sound ku when you add k to u. K plus u equal to ku. K plus u equal to ku. Okay, and you write ku like this. Once again, yeah. The next sound is k, 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 and you get this sound k when you add k to a. K plus a equal to k. K plus a equal to k, and you write k like this. Okay. Yes. The next sound is khai, 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 and you get this sound khai when you add k to I. K plus I equal to khai. K plus I equal to khai. All right, and you write khai like this. Yes. Once again, yeah, yeah, and you have to join it here. Okay, it must be near this. Next is ko, 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 and you get this sound ko when you add k to o. K plus o equal to ko. K plus o equal to ko, and you write ko like this. Once again, okay. The next sound is cow, 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 and you get the sound cow when you add k to ow. K plus The next sound is cow, 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 cow. And you get this sound cow when you add k to ow. K plus ow equal to cow. K plus ow equal to cow. Okay? And you write cow like this. Alright? Once again. Yeah. The next sound is come, 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 come. And you get this sound come when you add k to K plus equal to come. K plus equal to come. Alright? And you write come like this. You write k, which is first sound, okay, and a dot above. Okay? K, which is first sound, and a dot above makes it come. The last sound is kha, 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 and you get this sound kha when you add k to aha. K plus aha equal to kha. K plus aha equal to kha. Okay, and you write kha like this, and two dots to the right of k. You write the first sound k and two dots to the right of it. Alright? So those are the sounds of k, or the barhakadi of k. To recap, it is k plus a equal to k plus a equal to ka, k plus e equal to ki, k plus e equal to ki, k plus u equal to ku, k plus u equal to ku, k plus a equal to k, k plus I equal to kai, k plus o equal to ko, k plus au equal to cow, k plus equal to come, and k plus aha equal to kaha. Alright? Now all these sounds must be with a breath of air from your mouth. Okay? You must breathe out air from your mouth when you are pronouncing this. Alright? So go ahead and practice pronouncing and writing the letters. I'll go ahead and make a new video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching. Click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.